Now, when this piece of equipment arrives at your facility, you're simply going to, as I said, remove it from the case. Push the tabs, open the case, take the paperwork out, and then you're going to have your Rultract in a foam insert. Now, if you've requested two, there'll be another foam insert underneath. So you go ahead and remove the new serviced Rultracts from the foam inserts, take your equipment, put it into the foam inserts, make sure that you sign the decontamination form that's included in. There's also going to be a FedEx return label included as well. And there will be zip ties in the case. So once the equipment and the decontamination form are in the case, go ahead and close it. Make sure the latches are securely closed. Put your zip ties through the holes and make sure that they're zip tied correctly. On the bottom of the case, you'll find the FedEx envelope. Remove the label that was used to ship the equipment to you. Insert the label that is going to be used to ship the equipment back to us. Be sure that that envelope is sealed securely. Otherwise, that label is going to fall out. And then be sure that the label is actually secured to the case. So go ahead and push on that. Make sure that it's attached and stuck to the case. Now the equipment is ready to ship back to Rultract.